This is a Cronkite Equipment Lab tutorial for the Canon XF705.
In this video, we'll go over basic settings and capabilities. The first setting you need to keep in mind is how to turn on the camera. The on switch is located on the left side of the camera, just above the audio settings. The audio settings are located on the left side of the camera, but in the middle of the dials there's a very important button. This allows you to see all 4 audio channels that the XF705 records in. Channels 1 and 2 are designated to be your external audio inputs. These are where you plug in a mic into input 1 or input 2. Channels 3 and 4 are your internal mic settings. These do not ordinarily show up on the LED screen, so in order to check that you are receiving levels on your internal mics, you need to push the button. Next to the audio settings is where the SD card should be put in. Open up the slot and put a card inside, and then you are ready to shoot. One of the most important switches on the camera is underneath the handle. This is the key lock. If this is switched to the lock position, that means that all other functions of the camera are locked in place and will not be able to be adjusted. Try to keep this in the unlocked position. This will allow you to adjust the functions of the camera while you are shooting. If you are absolutely sure that you do not want the settings to be changed, then you can lock them into place and they can't be changed accidentally. You'll notice there's a lot of buttons that do different functions on the side of the camera in order to make shooting your stories easy. The zebra function helps identify what in the shot is overexposed. Those areas will have a striped effect over them on the LED screen. The peaking function outlines what is focused in the shot with a bright color. The more color outlines there are on the LED screen, the more objects are in focus. This can especially help the reporter do more complicated shots, like rack focusing. The ND filter is a very helpful tool to adjusting the lighting of your shot. It essentially works like sunglasses for your camera. You can make your shot darker by adding more ND filter with the plus button, or lighter by using the minus button. Next to the ND filter, there is a push autofocus, which will automatically focus your shot at the touch of a button. You can also adjust the focus and iris to manual or auto in this section. The white balance adjustment can be found on the bottom of the camera. By pressing the button, you can manually adjust the white balance by using the toggle on the top of the camera. That way, you can ensure that your shot is not too blue or not too orange. Another very important function of the XF705 is that you cannot use both the zoom ring or the zoom rocker at the same time. You must pick one to use. This can be switched at the bottom of the camera, where you can pick whether you would like to use the ring or the rocker.
This has been a Cronkite Equipment Lab tutorial on the Canon XF705.